Come on a walk with us around our family compound with our 9-month-old triplets and all of our ferocious beasts. Wow, ma'am, what nice hair you have.
Well, thank you.
Uh-oh. Mr. Henry. There you go, buddy. All are the cutest marshmallows your mommy has ever seen. My parents live a football field away from us, so we pretty much just walk back and forth from our house to their house to the entrance to back, around and around and around again. We just dropped my mom off at the beginning of our walk. She was at our house, and so we're just gonna roll back up and say hello again and again and again and again.
If y'all want to come back,
We come in to say hello.
how's it going?
Are you having a good
Grace is coming.
walk?
Hey, is it a good walk? You want to go get in the pool?
Ooh, tricks.
Ciao! Did that lightning go by?
Yeah. Our cat goes on every walk with us. Hey, Theo. Now I get.
Wow. Someone didn't get the fluffy ball memo, did you? I didn't get that one either. Can you do it one more time? I was filming my fluffy ball bogging because you wasn't doing it. Do it. Do it. Or you're not going to be on camera doing it. I got her, chat. Rage baited. All the pretty girls walk like this. All the pretty fiffins walk like this. Father Abraham, the many Eskimos.
Praise the Lord. A little off-road. That concludes our walk. With 3 babies, you really just don't get out of the house very much. So walking them around gets them some fresh air, a change of scenery, and kills about 30 minutes. And they're such cute little marshmallows.